In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to move your Saber from your exchange to your Ledger Cold wallet and then back to the exchange. Here's what the steps look like. We're going to skip the buying selling part since I'm assuming you already know how that works. But if you don't, no worries, you can check out the buy and sell video at any time. The main focus here are the transfers. In this example, I'll be using a Ledger Nano S Plus, but the steps are pretty much the same for the Nano S, Nano X, and other Ledger Cold wallets. I'll be using Kraken as the exchange since it's one of the most popular centralized exchanges in North America. Now, that said, the exchange you use doesn't really matter. The process is basically the same for all of them. What does matter is making sure that you have the correct wallet address and correct network, because sending crypto to the wrong address could mean losing it forever. So the example we have here is the Radium token that's running on the Solana network in Kraken. And we want to transfer it to the Ledger Live, so we have to ensure that we're using the same network. There are 3 security requirements that you must follow before doing the transfers. Number 1, make sure your operating system is up to date. And if you can't update it because your hardware is too old, maybe it's time to upgrade the hardware. Number 2, update all software. In this case, specifically, we're going to be using Chrome to connect to the exchange, the Ledger Live software to connect to your ledger. And if you have an antivirus, make sure your virus definitions are up to date. And last but not least, ensure that your Ledger firmware is also running at the latest version. Okay, let's start. So on the left side, I have Kraken open in Chrome. And on the right side, I have the Ledger Live software open. And as you can see in the bottom right corner, I have my Ledger device connected and unlocked, ready to go. So now I'm gonna withdraw the token. So let me just get the name. It's SBR, Saber. Okay, and it looks like it's running on the Solana network. So what you have to do on the Ledger is make sure that you have the Solana app installed. In my case, it's installed. If it's not installed in your case, please install it. And then once it's installed, you can go to accounts and then click on Solana. And then in the bottom, you can click on add token. And then just to confirm the name, we're going to type it here to make sure it's supported. SBR, Saber protocol. Let's see, is it the exact same name? SBR. See, here it's called Saber, here it's called Saber protocol, but it has the same symbol. So I'm comfortable enough to do it. So I click continue. It's asking me to open the Solana app to get the address. So I'm going to copy the address from here. And then I'm going to paste it in Kraken and just call it Ledger Saber or SBR as you wish. And then between brackets, I'm just going to put the network name to know where it was transferred. I'm going to click add withdrawal address. And here we have to confirm it. So I'm going to click continue. And it should arrive any second now. Here we go. Confirm. The withdrawal address was approved. So we go back to the exchange. Select the purple amount because I want to send the full amount. Click review. Validate all the information. So it's Saber. We're sending that many tokens. Those are the fees. A little bit high, I guess, but it's part of the game sometimes. Network is Solana, Ledger, and the address is 7A73, yes, and then YSNU. It looks good, so confirm. I'm gonna close this, and I'm gonna approve the address on the right side, click done, and just wait for the tokens to arrive. Okay, so as you can see, The Saber tokens arrived successfully to our ledger, and we can see them in the Ledger Live software. So now it's time to send them back to the exchange. So I'm going to click on deposit in Kraken, look for SBR, click on it, copy the address, and just note in the bottom it says minimum deposit is 200. And we have more than 200. There's 43,000 coins. Tokens. So I'm going to click on it, click send, paste the address here. It's asking for a tag or memo. There is no tag or memo on the left side in Kraken. So continue. Don't add the tag. Send max amount. And notice it's using the parent coin for network fees or gas fees. So just a reminder, if you have a lot of tokens to send back to the exchange, always send the tokens first and then the parent coin at the end to ensure that you have enough network or gas fees to send them. So I'm going to click continue. Continue again. And now it's going to ask me to confirm or validate the transaction on the ledger, which I'm doing. Yeah, looks good. Approve. Close this. Click done. And if I go to the activity tab, the Saber transaction should be showing up here any second. Here we go. That was really fast. So the transaction was successful in terms of withdrawal and deposit. It's going to take a couple of minutes to clear. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them.